Hi guys, so I am at London airport and right after I get off my flight to Bombay, I have to go for a wedding function. So that's why I'm gonna do this video, which I'm gonna call getting ready for an Indian wedding in a flight. And it's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna do my makeup on the flight. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna straighten my hair at the airport because I still have 3 hours to my flight. So I'm literally in the baby diaper changing room just so I could straighten my hair. Taken out that plug point for this air freshener and put in my straightening plug, and I'm probably just gonna use that mirror to straighten my hair.
A few moments later.
My hair is all straight and beautiful. I just straightened my hair at an airport. Wow, that's weird. And now I'm gonna go ahead to my flight because my flight is boarding in 10 minutes.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Wow, this is the most close up video that I have ever done. See, I'm gonna begin doing my makeup. You guys have my mirror. That's all my makeup. Firstly, I'm gonna use primer because my face is red AF. I won't have a mirror to see how well my foundation is blended, and you guys are going to judge that. I'm going to take a dry beauty blender and do this. This is crazy. I've never used a dry beauty blender ever, so it's kind of weird. You guys will ask me why don't I just go and wet the beauty blender, but truth is that I'm so freaking lazy to do that, and I would just rather let it be. Hey, I have a really good idea. Thank you. It's my cup to drink and one's my cup to beauty blend. Except that I have no idea how much is going on my face. Next I'm gonna put on some glitter, and I usually just do it with my hands. I'm just gonna take this off of my Tarte palette. Yeah, I don't think there's ever a complete eye look without glitter. And a lot of blending. While I'm at it, I'm also going to just do the back of the outer corner. Can you guys ever imagine doing a smoky eye in a flight? It's the most annoying shit ever. Time for eyeliner. best wing liner I've ever done. For something that's done in a flight, this is pretty okay. Time to glow away to the gods and put on a lot of highlight because I will never get enough highlight. I have no idea how it'll catch on here, but let's see. Not bad. The only two things left for me are lipstick and mascara, and we're also landing at the same time, so I'm just gonna quickly do this. Straighten my hair at the airport. Did my makeup in the flight. I'm probably gonna go change in a bit. Hi guys, so I'm done with my final look and this is Swati. She was actually the cabin crew and she was watching me do my makeup the whole time and she's like, she has this amazing video idea that I feel like I'm gonna do on my next flight. She says that I should...
Yeah, she must. She was so good with her makeup and she was doing her makeup in the dark, so I gave her a video. Why don't do it on us? Because
oh my god, I would
the flight we were so bored and she would have just tried it on me.
Oh my god, I would have loved to do that. I really hope that I do get on a flight with her someday and I can do her makeup because that would be amazing. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Swati, for being so nice.
And I hope to see you again.
I really hope so too. Okay guys, bye.